Well, as part of our election coverage, we're doing interviews with each of the national party leaders. Elizabeth May was on the program 2 weeks ago. Each of the remaining leaders was offered either traditional one-on-one interviews or less formal time, questioning them on the campaign trail. Jack Layton chose the latter. So on Friday and Saturday, we followed him in Atlantic Canada. Fresh from that hashtag fail moment in the debates where most analysts said he did well, and his polls showed his party, after a slow start, was edging up. I caught up with him on the road near Charlottetown. So, be honest, tell me the truth. Who gave you the hashtag fail line?
Well, it was, I think it was probably Carl Bélanger when we were kicking around different ideas.
Did you know what it meant?
Yes, I knew what it meant. I knew what it meant, but that's because Olivia is a relentless user of Twitter. So she's got all of the lingo down. I think our goal should be to maximize the number of people that are voting.
Jack Layton is 60, NDP leader since 2003, running in his fourth election. By his own admission, a critical one for him and for his fourth-place party. Where's the bar set for you on this campaign?
That's an interesting question. I've always said, I'm a long-tack sailor, or another metaphor would be building a house. I like to start with a strong foundation. So as far as the bar I set for myself, and for the team, is let's just keep building.
Do you think that things have to move very quickly for you this time? And I ask that, when you look at the stats for the elections that you've run as leader, you're quite right. It's gone up each time. 04, 06, 08. Numbers have gone up in terms of seats, percentage of the vote.
Yeah.
The actual vote dropped a little bit last time, but the percentage of the vote went up. But is it time to make a significant move then?
That's up to the Canadian people, but we're certainly working to accomplish that objective, and we'll have to see on late at night on May 2nd whether we've made that quantum type of leap. I think we're laying the groundwork for it. You never really know in politics when that's going to happen. You can't actually predict it. And if you do, you're getting a little too caught.
At the beginning of the campaign, there was much talk about Layton's health. You and I represent a generation that is now going to start overloading that public health care system. You've seen it because you've been part of that already in the last year. You're not worried that we just simply are not going to have enough money to pay for this? Whether it's new programs, scaled back other programs?
I do worry about that. I think that these discussions coming up in 2014 or leading up to 2014 with the provinces are going to have to grapple with that issue. I do worry about that because the younger generation coming along is going to be saying to themselves, how much can we afford?
You have the answer for it, yeah?
I have some, but certainly not the total answer. The programs that we put forward in this election, I've mentioned long-term home and home care and Medicare, getting that pharmaceutical costs down. The other one is more access to family doctors. So I think looking at prevention and primary care as a kind of an investment in avoiding some of these costs is going to be important. Are any of these magic bullets, snap your fingers, job's done? No. It's going to be one of the biggest challenges that we face.